Hello, everybody. So today we're going to finish our discussion in Chapter 5, Section 2. And what we're covering in this video is going to be some applications of logarithmic functions. So I have a word problem here for you. It says students are participating in a psychology experiment, attended several lectures on a subject, and then took an exam. Each month for a year after the exam, the students took retest to see how much of the material they remembered. The average scores for the group are given by the human memory model f of t equals 75 minus 6 natural log of t plus 1, where t has to be between and including 0 to 12, and t is the time in months. So what we have here is we have a model that will predict how much someone remembers based on the amount of time that has elapsed after they initially learned the material. And it's t is time in months. So it says, what was the average score on the original exam? So after the students learn their material, what did they get? It says t equals 0. So we are going to take the function and substitute 0 in for that. 75 minus 6 natural log 0 plus 1. So now we'll take our graphic calculator and we will type that in. 75 minus 6 times natural log of 1. Close out your parentheses, go ahead and hit enter, and you can see that the original score on the exam was 75. So that means what we would expect anyways, as time goes by, we would expect that score to reduce some because people are going to forget things over time. Now they would like to know the average score at the end of 2 months. So once again, we will use the same formula, but this time we're substituting 2 in. So 75 minus 6 natural log of 2 plus 1. Now, when I type that into my graphic calculator, 75 minus 6 natural log, and then it's going to be 2 plus 1, or you could put 3 in. Either way is fine. You can see that the score is now 68.4. So it's significantly reduced, 68.4. So initially, people were scoring on average 75 on the exam. 2 months later, people were scoring on average 68.4. Now, the last problem would like us to figure out what the average score is at the end of 6 months. So we will do the exact same thing. We'll use the formula. We will substitute 6 in, 75 minus 6, natural log, 6 plus 1, and we will type that in. I'm actually going to use a little trick that I showed you before. If you hit second enter, you can see it brings up the entire equation. All we need to do is change the 2 to a 6 and then hit enter. And we get 63.3. So, as we suspected, over time, the scores do reduce. So there's a word problem utilizing logarithmic equations. What I would like you to do for today is work on a few of these on your own. And if you run into any questions, as always, guys, feel free to email me. Have a great day.